The Best Christmas Present in the World is written by Michael Morpurgo. He is an English author. He is known for children's novels. His works is known for its magical storytelling. The story starts with the narrator in a second-hand goods shop in Bridport. He wanted to buy a roll-top desk since a while, but could not get because they were costly. He found a roll-top desk in the second-hand goods shop. The seller told him that it belonged to the days of 19th century and it was made of oak wood. It was in bad condition but was reasonable. The price was reasonable. Its legs was unskillfully repaired and it had marks on one of its side as if it were burnt down. The condition of the roll-top desk was very bad, but he wanted to buy it because it was reasonable. Later thought he could restore it and brought it home. He started working on it on the eve of Christmas. The desk was in a very bad condition and it appeared to him that water and fire had damaged it. He pulled out the drawers and found them in a damaged condition. The last drawer stuck first and he had applied more force to open it. He struck it sharply with the side of his fist and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath. A secret drawer. It had a black tin box inside of it. On it there was a piece of lent note paper and it was written, Jim's last letter received January 25th, 1915, to be buried when the time comes. Inside the box, he found an envelope and the address mentioned on it was Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. He took out the letter and unfolded it to read. It was written in pencil with the date at the top, December 26, 1914. The narrator started reading the letter, which was written by Jim McPherson, a captain of the British Army, to his wife Connie, who is also known as Mrs. Jim McPherson. The Best Christmas Present in the World is written by Michael Morpurgo.
A wonderful experience that happened
author.
on the
He is known
battlefield
for children's novels.
of Christmas
His works
Eve.
is
Both the
known for
armies were
its
in their
magical
respective
storytelling.
trenches. Someone from
The
the
story
German
starts
side was
with the
waving
narrator
off
in a second-hand
the
goods
white
shop
flag.
in
Here,
Bridport.
battlefield means the battlefield
He
of the
wanted
First
to
World
buy
War,
a roll-top
which
desk
was
since a
going on
while,
between
but
British
could not get
Army and
because they
German
were
Army.
costly. He found
He
a
heard German
roll-top
soldiers
desk
wishing
in the
them Merry
second-hand goods shop.
Christmas.
The sailor
Some of
told
the
him
British soldiers
that
also wishes them
belonged
the
to
same.
the
The
days of
British
19th
Army
century,
thought that it
and
was
it was made
small.
of
To
oak
their
wood.
surprise, they
It was
saw
in bad
many Germans
condition,
moving
but
towards
was
them.
reasonable. The price
The
was
captain was
reasonable.
alarmed. It could be a
Its
trick,
legs
but it was not.
unskillfully
They were
repaired,
bringing
and
with
it had
them
marks on one of its
sauces.
side as if
They started
it were
working
burnt
towards
down.
them, but
The condition of
without
the
rifles.
roll-top desk
On the eve
was
of
very
Christmas,
bad,
the
but
German
he
army
wanted
was
to buy
coming
it
towards
because it was
British
reasonable.
army to celebrate Christmas Eve.
The best Christmas
The
present
first
in the
one
world
to get
is
out
written by
from the
Michael
trench
Modpurko.
of British Army
He
was
is an English
little
author.
Private Maurice.
He is known for
Next, everyone
children's
followed,
novels.
and
His works is
in the
known
words
for
of Jim,
its magical
there was no stopping
storytelling.
them. They were
The story
hugging one
starts
another.
with the
At that
narrator
moment,
in a
all
second-hand
Jim
goods
could
shop.
see were
in
men in
Bridgeport.
grey and khaki
He
coats
wanted to buy
walking
a
towards each
roll-top
other
desk
to
since
meet
a
in the
while,
center of the
but could
land.
not get because
He was
they were
overwhelmed
costly.
as
He found
he looked
a
straight in the
roll-top
eyes
desk
of the
in the second-hand
approaching
goods shop.
German
The
officer
sailor
who
told him
extended
that
his
it belonged
hand
to
and
the
introduced
days of
himself
19th century,
as
and it was made of
Hans
oak
Wolf
wood.
from
It was in bad
Dusseldorf,
condition,
and
but
he
was
played
reasonable.
cello
The price was
in the
reasonable.
orchestra. In return,
Its legs
Macpherson
was
also
unskillfully repaired, and
introduced
it had
himself
marks on
as
one of
Captain
its
Jim
side as
Macpherson.
if it were worn
So now they are
down.
ready to
The
celebrate
condition
the
of the
eve
roll-top
of
desk
Christmas.
was very bad,
They are
but
hugging each
he wanted
other.
to buy it because it was reasonable. The best Christmas
Jim
present in the
Macpherson
world
introduced
is written
himself
by
as
Michael
the
Modpurko.
captain of British
He is
Army,
an English
and
author.
he was
He is
a
known
school
for
teacher from
children's novels.
Dorset,
His
which
works
is in the west
known
of
for its
England.
magical
Hansel smiled and
storytelling.
said he knew about
The
Dorset,
story starts
but
with the narrator in a
it turned
second-hand
out
goods
that
shop
he had never
in
visited
Bridgeport.
this place
He
or
wanted
any
to
other
buy
in
a
England.
roll-top desk
Actually, he never
since
visited
a while,
England, but
but
he
could not
knows
get
about
because
England from
they were
books.
costly. He found a roll-top
His
desk
favorite writer
in the
was
second-hand
Thomas
goods
Hardy,
shop.
and his
The
favorite
sailor
book
told
was
him
Far
that
from
it
the Madding
belonged
Crowd.
to the days of 19th
Okay, if you
century,
want an
and it
explanation
was
on
made
this
of
book Far
oak
from
wood.
the Madding
It
Crowd,
was in bad
then
condition,
you can
but
mention in
was
the comment
reasonable.
section.
The
Then I
price
will
was
make a video
reasonable.
on this topic also. Okay.
Its legs
Now
was
let's continue the
unskillfully
comment.
repaired,
They
and
talked about
it
the
had marks
characters
on
of the book
one of
like
its side as if
Bathsheba,
it were worn
Gabriel Oak.
down. The
They talked
condition of
about
the
each
roll-top
other's
desk
families. Hans
was
too was
very bad,
married with a
but
6-month
he
old
wanted to
son.
buy it
Here
because
they are
it
not
was
talking about the
reasonable.
word, they are talking about themselves.
The best Christmas
Both of
present in
them
the world
shared a
is
Christmas
written
cake
by
together,
Michael
which
Modpurko.
was sent by
He is an
Mrs.
English
Jim
author.
Macpherson to
He is
Jim.
known for children's
Hans
novels.
Wolf
His
told
works
Jim
is
that the
known for
marzipan was
its
the best he
magical
had ever
storytelling.
tasted. Jim also
The story
agreed. Jim
starts
mentions
with the
how they
narrator
both
in a
agreed
second-hand goods
on
shop
everything despite
in
being
Bridgeport.
each other's enemy.
He wanted to
They
buy
are from
a
different
roll-top
country,
desk
and
since
here
a
in the
while,
battlefield
but could not get
they are
because
so-called
they were
enemy.
costly.
But in the
He
most of
found
the
a
things they are
roll-top
agreeing
desk
each other.
in the second-hand
Everyone
goods
was
shop.
smoking,
The
eating,
sailor
laughing,
told
drinking,
him
and most
that
of all
it
celebrating.
belonged to
Jim
the
mentions
days of 19th
how
century,
it was very
and
unique
it was
Christmas
made
party.
of oak wood.
Macpherson
It was in
mentioned
bad
in his
condition,
letter
but
that
was
this
reasonable.
was a
The price was
wonderful
reasonable.
Christmas party that they
Its
had
legs
ever
was
seen.
unskillfully repaired,
Then a
and
soldier
it had
brought
marks
out a
on
football.
one
The
of its
soldiers
side
played
as if
while
it were
Macpherson
worn
and
down.
Hans Wolf
The condition
clapped
of the roll-top
and
desk was
cheered.
very bad,
So
but
they were
he wanted to
enjoying,
buy it because it
and
was
as
reasonable.
Jim said, it was the best Christmas party.
The best Christmas
Hans
present in the
Wolf
world
suggested
is
that
written by
the world would be
Michael
much better
Modpurko.
if the
He
problems
is
were
an
resolved
English author.
by a
He is
football
known
match
for
instead
children's
of war.
novels. His works
instead
is
of war,
known for
because
its
in a
magical
football
storytelling.
match, no one died.
The story
Neither
starts
do
with the
children
narrator
get orphaned,
in a
nor do the
second-hand
soldier's
goods
wife
shop
become widow.
in Bridgeport.
But in work,
He wanted to
but in
buy
war,
a roll-top desk
so many bad
since
things
a while,
happen.
but could not get because they were costly.
Many people
He found
lost their
roll-top desk
children
in the second-hand goods shop.
parents.
The sailor told him that
So here,
it belonged to the days of 19th century.
The Germans won the game by 2 goals to 1. After the match,
it was in bad
all the
condition,
drinks
but
and
was
eatables
reasonable.
were
The price was
consumed.
reasonable.
Now it was time to part.
Its
Jim
legs
gave
was
Hans the
unskillfully
best wishes
repaired,
and conveyed
it had marks
how
on
he hoped for
one of its sides
things
as
to
if
end
it
soon
were burnt
and
down.
well, so that
The
they
condition
could
of the
all go
roll-top
home
desk
and
was very
reunite
bad.
with their families.
But he
Hansen
wanted to
replied
buy
that this is
it was
something that
reasonable.
every soldier wants and should salute.
The best
That
Christmas
night, the
present
Germans
in the
were
world
heard singing
is
a
written
carol.
by Michael
The British
Moorpurko.
soldiers replied
He
with
is
a
an
rousing
English
chorus
author.
of another
He is
carol.
known for
They
children's
exchanged
novels.
carols for a
His
while
works
and
is
then it
known
was
for
all
its
silence.
magical
He ended
storytelling.
the letter with the hope
The
that
story starts
the war
with the
would end
narrator
soon.
in a
Both the
second-hand goods
armies
shop
longed for
in
peace and
Bridport.
he would return to
He
Dorset
wanted
soon
to buy a
and they
roll-top
would
desk
be
since
able
a
to
while,
spend time
but
together
could not
again.
get because they were
Macpherson
costly.
wrote in his letter
He found a
that he would
roll-top
treasure
desk
those
in the
moments all his
second-hand
life.
goods shop.
Having
The
read the
sailor
letter,
told
the
him
narrator
that
put it back
belonged to
in the envelope.
the
He
days of
decided
19th
to give the
century,
letter back
and it was
to
made
whom
of
it
oak
belonged.
wood.
The next morning, he
It was
woke
in
up
bad
early
condition,
and went to
but was
Bridport.
reasonable. The price was
In this
reasonable.
letter, it was described
Its
how
legs
the
was
British army
unskillfully
and
repaired,
German
and
army
it had marks on
celebrated Christmas
one of its
together
sides
in the
as if
battlefield.
it were burnt down.
And
The
after
condition of the
reading
roll-top
the
desk
letter,
was
he
very
thought
bad.
he should return
But
the letter
He wanted to
whom
buy it because
may
it was
belong,
reasonable.
Mrs. Jim Macpherson.
The best
As the
Christmas
narrator
present
wanted to
in the
return
world
the letter
is
to
written by
whom
Michael
it belongs,
Moorpurko.
so he
He
went
is
to
an English
that
author.
address which
He is
was
known for
mentioned in that
children's
letter.
novels.
He
His
reached
works
house
is
number 12
known
and
for
found
its
the house
magical
in a
storytelling.
burnt out cell condition.
The story starts
He knocked on
with
the door of the
narrator
next
in
house
a
to inquire
second-hand goods shop.
about the whereabouts of Mrs.
Bridport.
Macpherson. It was
He
found that
wanted to
Mrs.
buy
Macpherson
a
was
roll-top desk
in the
since a
house
while,
when it caught
but
fire.
could not get
The actual
because
cause of
they
the
were
fire
costly.
is not known, but
He
people
found
suspect
a
it
roll-top
to
desk
be
in the
candles. The
second-hand goods
fireman
shop.
had got
The
hurt.
sailor told him that
Her
it
means Mrs.
belonged
Jim
to
Macpherson
the
Connie,
days of 19th
or Connie.
century,
Out
and it
just
was
in time.
made of
She was
oak
101
wood. It was in bad
years
condition,
old.
but
Now
was
she was in a
reasonable. The
nursing
price
home
was reasonable.
in Burlington House
Its
on the
legs was unskillfully
Dorchester
repaired, and
that
it had marks
was on the other side of
one
town.
of its
The
sides
narrator
as
went
if
to the
it
nursing
were
home.
burnt
He met the
down.
matron.
The
He introduced
condition of the
himself as a
roll-top
friend of
desk
Mrs.
was
Macpherson,
very bad.
who had come to
But
give her a Christmas
He wanted
gift.
to buy it because it was reasonable.
So he went to meet her.
The best
The
Christmas
matron
present
was
in the
happy
world
to see
is
the
written
narrator
by
and even
Michael
offered him
Moorpurko.
a
He
piece
is an
of
English
mince pie.
author. He
She
is
was
known for
happy because no
children's
one
novels. His
went to
works
visit
is
Mrs.
known for
Macpherson.
its
As she
magical
walked him
storytelling.
through the corridor, she told
The
that
story
Mrs. Macpherson
starts
does not
with the
get any
narrator
visitors
in a
often
second-hand
as
goods
she has
shop
no family.
in
She told
Bridport.
the author that
He
Mrs.
wanted to buy a
Macpherson was rather
roll-top desk
confused that
since a
day.
while,
They had
but could
put
not
her
get
in
because
conservatory.
they were costly.
She took him to
He
a
found
conservatory.
a
Inside the
roll-top
conservatory
In the
sat
second-hand
an
goods
old
shop
lady in a
The
wheelchair
sailor
with
told
her hands
him
folded
that
in her
it
lap.
belonged
Her
to
white hair
the
was
days of
dyed
19th
neatly.
century, and it was
As
made of
she sat
oak wood.
there, she was
It
staring
was in
at the
bad
garden
condition, but
when
was
he
reasonable.
entered.
The price
author
was
went
reasonable.
and said, "Hello."
Its legs was
So
unskillfully
no one went to
repaired,
visit
and
Mrs.
it had
Macpherson
marks
because
one of its sides
she
as
has
if it were
no
burnt
relatives
down.
or Actually,
The
she hasn't
condition of
any
the
family
roll-top
members.
desk
Her
was
husband
very
has
bad,
died,
but
and
he
she
wanted
has
to
not
buy
any
it
kids,
because
so
it was
she doesn't have any
reasonable.
family members, so no one visited her.
The best
The
Christmas
narrator
present in the
gave
world
her the
is written by
gave her
Michael
means gave
Morpurgo.
Mrs.
He is
Jane
an English
McPherson or
author.
Connie,
He
the
is known
tin
for
box that
children's novels.
and her
His
eyes
works is
light
known
up
for
due to
its
immense
magical
happiness. After
storytelling.
handing the tin box
The
over
story
to her,
starts with
he
the narrator
explained the
in a
series of
second-hand
events
goods
that
shop
led him to the
in
letter,
Bridport.
but she didn't
He
listen
wanted
to
to
a
buy
word
a
she
roll-top
said, as
desk
she was
since
filled
a
with so
while,
much
but
happiness.
could not get
Nor did
because
say
they were costly.
words. He just
He
sat
found
there
a
holding the
roll-top desk
letter
in
in
the
her hands.
second-hand goods
She
shop.
reached out
The seller
and
told
took his
him
hand.
that it
Her eyes
belonged
were
to
filled with
the
tears.
days of 19th
She
century,
felt that
and it was made of
her
oak
dream
wood.
had returned.
It was in bad
She was
condition,
thinking
but was reasonable.
that
The price
her
was
husband's
reasonable.
dream had
Its
returned.
legs was unskillfully repaired,
She
and
said that
it
her
had marks
dream
on
had kept his
one of its
promise.
side
He
as if
returned on the
it were
eve
worn
of Christmas.
down.
She made
The
him sit
condition of
beside
the
her. She
roll-top
kissed
desk
on
was
his
very
cheek.
bad,
So here
but
Connie
he wanted to
misunderstood,
buy it because it
and
was
she
reasonable.
thought the narrator as her husband.
The best Christmas present
She
in the
longed
world
to hear
is
his
written
voice,
by
but then she
Michael
mentioned now
Morpurgo. He is an
that
English
he
author.
is
He is
here
known
with
for
her. He can
children's
read
novels.
out the letter
His
to her
works
in
is
his voice.
known for its
She
magical
asks if
storytelling.
he would do
The
that
story
for her.
starts
She
with the
told
narrator
that they can
in a
even have
second-hand
tea
goods shop
afterwards. She then told him
in
that she
Bridport.
even made his
He
favorite
wanted
Christmas
to buy
cake with
a
marzipan.
roll-top desk
She
since
is
a
well
while,
aware of
but could not
how
get
he loved
because
marzipan.
they were
She
costly.
said that she
He
had got
found
the best
a
Christmas
roll-top
present in
desk
the world.
in the second-hand goods shop.
Actually,
The seller
Mrs.
told him
Jim
that it
McPherson
belonged to the days of
used to
19th
read
century,
every day
and
that
it was
letter,
made
which was
of
last
oak
written
wood.
by her husband.
It was in bad
And
condition,
he
but
has
was
promised
reasonable.
her
The
that
price
he
was
will
reasonable.
be back till Christmas.
Its legs was
So
unskillfully repaired,
she
and
misunderstood
it had
the
marks
narrator
on
as her
one of
husband,
its
and now she
side
is
as
very
if
happy
it were worn
that her
down.
husband kept
The
his
condition
promise,
of the roll-top
and
desk
he
was
came
very
on
bad,
Christmas
but
Eve, and
he
she
wanted to
thinks
buy
this
it
is the
because it was
best
reasonable.
Christmas present in the world.